Go.
Hi, Mommy, I'm making bread.
Teach her the lesson. Tell her who's boss. Get it down. Come on now. You're doing it. Come on, you gotta beat it, otherwise it won't raise high. You gotta get it so it raises really high. Come on there. Come on now. Push it all together. Push it together and smack it down.
I won't do it.
You gotta push it all together.
Stop it.
Do you want me to do it? Or, I mean, if you can, if you're not mad enough to do it, I can do it.
Stop it.
Then get mad at me, girl.
Stop it.
No, you better get mad at me.
Stop it.
Beat it, beat it, beat it.
Stop it.
Yeah, do it again. 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 Both fists. Yeah, Gracie.
Stop it.
Flip it over and beat the other side. Good job. Yeah, go, girl, go. Go, Gracie, go. Go, Gracie, go. Gracie, be good. Early in the morning, we'll be starting off. Say, see, Mommy, I'm beating the bread. Gracie, say, see, Mommy, I'm beating the bread.
See, Mommy, I'm beating the bread.
All right.